Hello friends, today's video is about new release of Python version 3.9.0 A6 on 18th May 2020, in which I will talk about the new features released by a Python community. Now let's see to it. New features are merge and update operations in Python, new remove prefix and remove suffix of a string, built-in generic types, and new person. But according to me, the built-in generic type and new parser are not so relevant. So let's continue the video. Let's see how the dictionary merge and update operation work. D1 dictionary is have a key and value. Same D2 has an egg and value too. Now we use chain map to merge two dictionary, and we are replacing the value 2 with 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 999 value. Now you can see it, the result over here, and now we will use the to merge operation on some kind of a big dictionary. D1 equals to, you can see a spam, egg, cheese. Same E has some key and values. If we merge D to E, then cheese element is 3, now replaced by the dictionary E value. And in the next line, you can see the E is merged to the D. Therefore, E dictionary will come first, and afterward the dictionary D will come. Now it's an update command. D update equal to E. Now all the data in the E dictionary will pass to a D dictionary, as you can see in the last line. And if you want to add a separate key and values to a dictionary, you can do so with the help of this example. This will add a new key and value to the last index of a dictionary. Now moving on to the next feature, that is remove prefix and remove suffix in the string. As you can see, the string str.removeprefix return the prefix if it is present in a string, else it will copy the entire string to the result. If it doesn't find any matching, it will return the original string, else it will return the remove part of the unremoved part of the string. And same for string remove suffix, it will remove the part from the last. As you can see, mic test remove suffix tests, so it removes the text from the mic test and show the result over here. And in the new example below that is doesn't have any string related to text, so it's written original string. So if you have any question about these feature, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed at my channel yet, please subscribe me. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.